Okay, so welcome. I'm going to go over a process and I'm going to explain it as I go through it, but I think it'll also be a lot easier when you see me work out an example. But this is the process by which, what if we divide, if we divide two units of measure and things don't divide evenly. And so we end up with fractions. Okay, so this is how we handle this, and this is the process. So the first thing that we do is we're going to set up the process that we normally do with long division. Okay, so we're going to proceed with long division, and then what happens is when we do a unit, starting with the larger one, and if we get a remainder, then we're going to convert that remainder amount into the next smaller unit. And then we're going to take that value, we're going to add it to the next measure, the value in the measure. And then what we're going to do is then we're going to divide the given number into the next smaller unit. And again, if we get a remainder, we're going to basically add that, convert that to the next smaller unit and add it to the next smaller measure. And so on and so forth, until we get to the smallest measure. And at that point, if we end up with a remainder then, at the very end, then we're going to basically write it as a fractional form, write the remainder in fractional form. Okay, so those are the steps. I'm going to explain this as I work out a problem, and I think it's going to be a lot easier to understand. But those are the steps.